Hello, what's up guys, Marcel here. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can turn on your monetization or turn on your dollar sign with your videos in bulk. So to do that, you have to log in, of course, to your YouTube account. If you can see right here, there's a notification that says congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. You can now monetize your videos and access support. So on the right hand side, there's monetize videos and then dismiss. So what you have to do is you just click on monetize videos, and then two options here: decide later or monetize all videos now. So I'm gonna click on monetize all videos now and just click everything here. Turn on ads during video and all the stuff. It says here mid-roll ad breaks will be set automatically, but we can do a manual ad breaks later on, but I'm not gonna show it yet. I'll do it later. So I'll just do apply preferences. Click on apply preferences, and we'll just wait for that to update on our settings or our videos. So if you can see right here, all our videos has got our ads already, well except this one, because this one has got a copyright claim, so I'm gonna fix that later on. I'll show you how to do it so that you can monetize the video. My copyright claim there is something to do with the music. So yeah, if you can see it right here, all my videos has got a dollar sign now, so meaning it's being monetized now. You can see right there. So the dollar sign is on, is green, so that means it's monetization is on already. So that's how you do it. Then you don't have to do it one by one. You don't have to do it manually. So it's just automatically all of the videos will be monetized. Well, of course, except when you have restrictions, of course. Okay, so that's it. That's how you turn on the monetization on your videos. And on the next video, as I've said, I'm going to show you on how you can manually put mid-roll ad breaks on your videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. I'll see you next time.